When you want dig hole for somebody else, make sure dig a deep one for yourself. Why you want to see me demise? Unfair gameplay twice.
You a subscriber. Again, me I go make you know, so yo, Vybz Kartel, the only artist who have a song for every kind of moment. So guess what go on? That's what I'm telling you already, you know. Me not have to listen to nobody else because the man have a song for everything. If you a subscriber, the man make you know, so yo. You see when you go dig out for people, make sure you go for yourself, you know. So the man make you know, so watch out, man. Don't do unto others when you wouldn't like to do unto you. You know what I mean? And that the man make you know. The man not wrong. I right thing the man say. Karma is a bitch, man. And that the man make you know. So if you a subscriber, the song I want you can't lose. Nah, like. Me like everything about that song. From the rhythm to the lyrics, everything connect. So guess what go on? We are gonna jump into that song here.
Bana is a bitch me willing for work with her, but bad mind make we kill him. Jealousy a pussy pie with them, fig like me empty. Tie them up and bury them, find them up and ferry them. Pussy them no one for see me shine.
A subscriber. So the boss make you know say yo, Karma is a bitch, you know. The man say yo, me holding, but guess what go on now? Bad mind make we killing. Man say yo, and that's why killing a go on. You see jealousy and them thing there. Yeah man, and that's a cause the thing man. Bad mind and jealous. Say man I say what you know? Pussy. Man I say me powered my Glock. Me empty, tie them up and bury them. Find them up and ferry them. You see me? Pussy them no want to see me shine. And that the man I make you know. So you see anybody try to start the man food, I don't know the dirt. And that's where you come down.
When them a try kill me image not the news, them a face views. Hey, suck your mother. When you a preschool, me a teacher, so keep cool. Man a real youth. Beat youth.
You see right now, I think me actually say enough now. For telling me say yo, cause like the baddest thing. I think me actually say it enough, and I think the man lyrics them had actually proved enough. So I think me really have to say it again. You know what I mean? The man say yo, when them a try kill me image in the news and them a freeze views, hey go suck on the mother. And that the man a make you know. The man a make you know say yo, it's all them boy we a try tarnish me thing, and I say this about me thing and I say this about me and them way there. Hey boy, go chuck over one cliff. And that the man a make you know. Yeah man, the man a say yo, well yeah, preschool. Man say what you go on by the way? Yo, me a teacher. So you better keep cool. I want to you know, man a real youth. I'm told you can go on my thing. And that the man a make you know. Remember, you know, as the man say, you know, I am the teacher. And this I go to preschool. You know what I mean? Beat who? You can't beat me. You go beetroot or drink some beetroot, man. Then man I make your blood system flow better. And that the man I make you know. You see me I telling about the man lyrics them different. The man use the lyrics them different. Yo, I'm not lie. Gaza forever. The Gaza Nation people them we are watching the video right now. Chat to me in the comment section. Make me one think about the song. One think about them lyrics here. I'm not lie. I read to the dog just a book and just a flow up on the rhythm and I explain something they really is a way. Gaza forever until death. Bad song. Take it some more right.
Me cannot lose. Me cannot lose. Me go up poor, me did that one shoes. And me never bow there now, me fi bow now.
Right now, you know, I'm sure say every straight people, every hardworking people can represent for that section there. The man say, yo, me cannot lose, you know. Yeah, me cannot lose. The man say, yo, me grew up poor. Me did have one shoes and me never bow. So the man I make you know say, yo, when things is rough, nothing never go on. Man stay firm in them one shoes, in them one pants, in them one shirt, and we still clip it clean. You know what I mean? And we never sell out, we never switch out, we never bow out. But guess what go on now? Things take a turn now. Then if we go change now, and we have things, and we never do it from before. We have stick to the root, we have stay to the plan, and guess what go on? Some boy not strong so. Some boy not other mentality there. Some boy switch out. Some boy love sweets. But guess what go on? The Irons boss cannot lose. And that man telling you. And that the real boss are making you know. Cannot lose. I grew up poor. Did have one shoes.
I beg friend, my boyfriend, I who them? Want to see when me buy me son the new Benz. Boy, you watch me true friends, me tie them up like loose ends. Now if you see no police, your phone at the new friend.
My boyfriend, I who them? Want to see when buy me son the new Benz. If you are a subscriber, what do you know? The boss son stay so and show about the Benz and some people and make a bag of negative talk. You know what I mean? But guess what go on? You see Gaza, we not focus on locals. Because you with the boss right now. But no one to see me buy. Me buy my son a brand new Benz. Yeah man. Boy, you watch me. True friends. Man, so watching now. Me I go tie them up like some loose ends. Now for you, dog say. Now for see on the police. On the phone at the new feds. Yeah man, because guess what go on? Everything in the capture on phone, you know. Everything in the get on phone and post it. Everything in take up on the phone and call and tell. Like that the new feds. I would them man. God's a nation, man, I lie. But man the boss. That go on. But we don't pray them because guess what? Gaza shall forever stand. It no matter what. It no matter even though the boss they are prison or what. We are going to still represent Gaza right through. And the real Gaza fans them in the comment section. Let me know. Make them know say yo until death. You know what I mean? Bad song. I not lie. That song yeah. Rate it.
Not take check with people, young baby are big people. Mankind are real evil, streets and the church evil. Mount a shoes me buy it evil, want to test me door. Try to stop me food, you know me, I gonna murder you.
You a subscriber. The boss make you know say yo. Me not take check with people, you know. Young baby are big people. Mankind are real evil. Streets and the church evil. Monta shows me boy. You don't even want to test me door. Try to stop my food. You know me, I gonna murder you. If you are a subscriber, right there and then, I agree with the boss. With everything what I'm saying a while ago. You know which part again? Especially when him say, yo, mankind are real evil. Streets and the church are evil. Man, I lie. Here what me I go do? I gotta put artists against church. How much thing is artist though? Minority. How much bad things in the ear say pastor and deacon do? Because we talk about in the church, you know. A lot. Especially some pedophile and them thing there. So, what Kartel say, I really think, and that is why people don't like him, because guess what? Him taught the truth. And people don't like to hear the truth because people appreciate yo, him enlighten certain things too much. But at the end of the day, him our teacher. So we have to give thanks to him. So I don't care about what them want to say. That's why I'm saying Gaza. You know what I mean? Because he make you know the truth about life and what going on in our country and within this place. The man say, yo, the streets and the church are real evil. Yeah, man. So guess what go on? The month of shoes in my boy. Yeah. I don't have to say nothing more on that. But I not lie. That song your name can't lose. I not lie. It can't lose with you. Because it's a bad song. It's a decent song. It's a well put together song. If you are a subscriber, Gaza Nation, watching that man, make a reason about that song here. Come on, I lie. I want to listen to the full song. As me just explain the thing them doing, what go on in the song and break it down for them, I can understand thing them clearly. Make me know what I think about the song. Make me know what I think about the lyrics them. Because that's the main thing, you know, the things what the boss say. I love how the boss just take them and flow it and make it easy and work. I not lie. Bad song a bad song. I can't take that from it. I can't deny that no time at all. Yeah, man. At the Heinz boss. At the Heinzing TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend say. Tune into the Heinzing TV. You know what I mean? At this you get everything. You know what I mean? I'm out.
Me cannot lose. Me cannot lose. Me go poor, me did have one shoes. And me never bow there, no, me fi bow now.